Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you what to do if your XIAOMI Smart Standing Fan 2 Pro doesn't work. There may be several possible causes of it not working, and the first one may be because it's not properly connected to the base. Because the base is where the battery is, so you need to connect it properly. You can just detach it and attach it again. You can see I'm not using the second road here, so it's so short, but once you press on this button right here, you should be able to detach it, then attach it again all the way in until it clicks. It will click just ever so slightly, but it should be working now. Then if not, it may be because child lock is enabled. First I'm gonna enable it so I can show you that. Okay, and now you can see if I want to turn it on, it doesn't turn on. And if you want to turn off the child lock, press and hold on schedule and oscillation button for 7 seconds until you hear a long beep. Now child lock is off, so I can turn it on. Now the last thing is maybe because the battery is discharged and you may need to plug it into power. You can see this is the charging cord. This is how it looks, and it has to be connected to the fan, not in order to work, but in order to charge it, because it has a battery, but it may be discharged. Once you plug it in, you should see this light in the front. I don't know if I can show you it properly, but yeah, you can see there's a light, and if it is blinking orange, then it means it's between 0 and 30% of charge. So wait until it's 100%. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.